Mrs. Wang, you two should dance too. YN, nervously, and no, we're not. Before she could finish, Taehyung stood up and offered his hand. Taehyung, soft but firm, let's dance, come with me. He gently pulled her toward the dance floor. The lights dimmed slightly as the music softened. He placed one hand on her waist, the other holding her hand. His touch was gentle, almost protective. They began to sway slowly to the rhythm. For a moment, it felt like the world had disappeared, just the two of them, lost in each other's gaze. YN's heartbeat quickened. There was something in his eyes, something deeper than hate, something unspoken. But just as quickly as the moment came, she blinked and pulled herself back to reality. Her expression changed. She broke the dance, took a step back, and walked away without saying a word. YN was busy with her work in the kitchen when she noticed Taehyung sitting in the living room, deep in thought. Meanwhile, the old maid was dusting nearby, but as she moved around, she began to look weak and almost faint. Taehyung, noticing her, immediately stood up and walked over. Tae, with concern, why are you still working? I've told you countless times that you're not feeling well. Old maid, with a soft smile, I don't like sitting idle. I prefer to keep working. Tae, sternly, enough. From now on, you're not working. This is my final order. Just as he finished speaking, his phone rang, and he walked out of the room, leaving the two women behind. YN, who had been quietly observing from a distance, felt a mix of emotions. She walked up to the old maid, who was still trying to catch her breath. YN, softly, concerned, are you okay? The maid smiled warmly at her and nodded. YN, thinking aloud, how did this monster suddenly become so kind? The old maid's expression softened, as if she had expected this question. Old maid, gently, he's not a monster, dear. I've raised him since he was a child. He has a good heart. YN, shaking her head, still not convinced, no, he's not good. He's cruel, he doesn't care about anyone but himself. The old maid sighed and looked down for a moment, remembering things from the past. Old maid, calmly, he wasn't always like this. Something happened, an incident, that changed him. But he's not a bad person. He's just been through a lot of pain. YN fell silent, taking in the maid's words. She stood there for a moment before finally speaking again. YN, softly, please, rest now. You shouldn't be pushing yourself. The old maid gave a faint smile of gratitude, resting for a while as YN stood nearby, still lost in her thoughts. 1 month later. It had been a month. YN had started seeing a softer side of Taehyung. He wasn't always cruel, but still, somewhere in her heart, a little hate remained. Taehyung, too, felt something for YN, but he kept pushing those feelings away. Taehyung, so, you're here. YN, what do you want now? Taehyung, I should be asking you that. My dad and elder brother are coming today, from the mission. They shouldn't know you're here by your own will, because you're not. YN, what do you mean? Taehyung, you're here because I brought you here. Not because you wanted to be. YN, I don't care what your family thinks. Taehyung, you should, because if they find out, things will get worse. For both of us. YN, so now I have to pretend? Taehyung, yes, and smile like you're mine. YN, I'm not. Taehyung, you are, at least in front of them, or else, you'll regret it. YN walks into the kitchen, frustrated, eyes burning. She needs to breathe. YN, muttering, smile like you're mine, act like you care. What a joke. She starts chopping vegetables quickly, trying to distract herself. Her mind still racing. YN, whispers, I'll never belong to him. Never. Knife cuts her hand. YN, she gasps, blood starts dripping from her palm. She grabs a cloth and presses it to stop the bleeding, but it keeps flowing. Just then, footsteps. Taehyung enters. Taehyung, YN, he sees the blood, his eyes go wide. Taehyung, what the FCK? What did you do? He storms toward her, eyes wild. Sees her hand. Freezes. Taehyung, you're bleeding. YN says nothing. Taehyung, are you seriously just standing there? Are you dumb? She flinches. Not from fear, from his panic. Taehyung grabs her hand, hard but careful. Taehyung, do you even care about yourself? YN, softly, do you? He looks at her, her eyes, that tone, he forgets to breathe. Taehyung, shut up. YN, why are you shaking? His hands, trembling. He tries to hide it. Can't. YN, why are you scared? Taehyung, I'm not. YN, then why do you look like you're about to break? He doesn't answer. Rips the first aid box open. His jaw clenched. He starts cleaning the wound. Quiet, gentle, but his breath still uneven. He finishes the bandage, stands up, steps back. Taehyung, don't do this again. Taehyung, I'll send someone. Don't cook. He walks out, but stops at the door. Doesn't turn around. Taehyung, under his breath, I hate this. And then, he's gone. YN slowly steps out of the kitchen, holding her bandaged hand close to her chest. She walks through the quiet hallway, still lost in her thoughts. Suddenly, she bumps into someone. Jihoon, oh, so you're the girl who made my brother lose his mind. YN, what? Jihoon, I thought you'd be different. Not this fragile. YN, excuse me? Jihoon, I mean, you look way too innocent. YN doesn't say anything, just stares, silently wondering, who is he? Before she can ask, footsteps echo from the other side of the hallway. Jimin appears, with two men behind him. Jimin, YN, this is Taehyung's father, gestures politely. And this is his older brother, Jihoon. YN looks at Jihoon in surprise. Jimin, and that's Ryo, Taehyung's uncle's son. Just then, Taehyung enters the hallway, his expression unreadable. Taehyung, Dad. His father turns sharply toward him, voice cold and stern. Taehyung's dad. What am I hearing? Taehyung, you got married, without even telling your father? Jihoon, this is seriously wrong, Taehyung. A heavy silence fills the air. Taehyung's dad slowly walks up to YN, his eyes sharp, but his voice, unexpectedly soft. TD, dear, are you truly happy in this marriage? YN turns to look at Taehyung, unsure, caught off guard. But before she can speak, Taehyung, of course she is. She's very happy. He slips his arm around YN's waist, pulling her closer, his grip firm but controlled. His eyes silently tell her what to say. YN hesitates for a second, then forces a small smile. YN, yes, uncle. I'm happy. Taehyung's dad, looking at YN, uncle? Call me dad. YN, a little nervous, softly, okay. Dad. Taehyung's dad, turning serious. Taehyung, come here. I need to discuss something important about the next mission. All of you, meet me in my room. Taehyung, Jihoon, Ryo, and the others leave with him. YN stands there alone, the room suddenly feels too quiet. Dining room long table, everyone is quietly eating. The sound of spoons and plates. No one is talking. Jimin, smiling a little. So, Mr. Jungwoo, I heard your last deal was a big success? Jungwoo, coldly, Results matter. Feelings don't. YN is quiet. She slowly eats, not looking at anyone. Jihoon, teasing, YNSSI, you don't talk much, do you? There's nothing to say. Jihoon, or maybe, you're still not used to this house. It can feel scary. Taehyung looks at Jihoon, angry but says nothing. YN keeps looking down, her hands shake a little while holding the spoon. A soft voice breaks the silence. Ryo, you haven't eaten much. Do you want some curry instead? He moves the bowl closer to her, quietly. YN looks up. Her eyes meet Ryo's calm and kind face. For a moment, she feels something strange inside. Like she knows him. Like he's safe. She doesn't understand this feeling. YN, thank you. Ryo nods once. Doesn't say anything more. Taehyung watches it all. His face is serious. He grips his glass tightly. Everyone becomes silent again. YN looks at Ryo once more, still thinking about that warm feeling. She feels Taehyung's stare on her. Heavy, strong. She lowers her eyes, her mind full of questions. Everyone heads to their rooms after dinner. The hallway is dim and quiet. Ryo, YN, where are you going? YN, to my room. Ryo, but Taehyung's room is on this side. Suddenly, both Taehyung and YN freeze, realizing they've been sleeping in separate rooms until now. But they can't let anyone find out. Taehyung, YN, come, let's go to our room. YN looks at him, startled, but nods silently. They both enter the room. The air is thick with tension. YN, frustrated, what was that? I don't want to stay in the same room with you. Taehyung, calm but sharp. If you don't, everyone will know there's nothing between us. YN snaps, let them know. I don't care. Taehyung, firmly, just sleep here. You don't have another option. Do as I say. YN, angry, I said I'm not staying. Taehyung steps closer, eyes dark. He pins her against the wall, voice cold. Taehyung, why? What's the problem in sharing a room with your husband? YN, trying to push him, leave me. Taehyung glares at her for a moment, breathing heavy, but says nothing. He suddenly steps back, walks to the door. Taehyung, without turning around, just sleep here. I won't be coming back tonight. And with that, he leaves, the door clicks shut. YN steps out of the bathroom, fresh from her shower, a towel wrapped around her. She stops midway as the door creaks open. Taehyung, his eyes widen as he quickly looks away, clearly shocked. YN gasps and rushes toward the window, hiding behind the curtain in panic. YN, without knocking? Are you serious? Taehyung, this is my room. I don't need to knock. YN, well, it's my room too now. Can't you use your brain for once? Taehyung smirks, turning slightly to look toward the curtain. Taehyung, why are you so shy? YN, what do you mean? Just leave, I need to change. Taehyung, teasing, with a wife this hot, am I not even allowed to look? YN's heartbeat picks up. Her grip on the curtain tightens. YN, D, don't come near me. I'm warning you. Taehyung steps closer, voice low, you look so flustered, cute. Just as the moment turns intense, Taehyung's phone buzzes. He glances at it, sighs, and turns to leave. Taehyung, TCH. Saved by the bell. He opens the door without another word and walks out. YN, peeking from the curtain, whispers, thank God he left. Everyone is seated at the breakfast table. YN quietly takes a seat beside Jimin. Ryo sits across. Taehyung joins a moment later. Jihoon walks in last, holding a cup of black coffee, his smile polite, but sharp. Jihoon, good morning, everyone. YN glances up briefly, then back to her plate. Jihoon, you should eat well. You look too delicate to be skipping meals. YN, thank you, but I'm fine. Jihoon, I hope my little brother treats you right. You are too delicate for this kind of life. Taehyung pauses mid-bite. YN, I can take care of myself. Ryo, we should eat. Food's getting cold. Taehyung says nothing. Jihoon takes a slow sip of coffee, eyes never leaving YN. After breakfast, Jungwoo, smiling politely at YN in front of others. You are adjusting well here, dear. I'm glad. YN, softly. Yes, I'm trying my best, Dad. Jungwoo leaves, but comes back when she's alone, and his face changes. Jungwoo, stepping closer, voice sharp. So, you are the reason my son's lost his mind. YN, what? Jungwoo, listen to me carefully. You may have married my son, but don't forget your place. YN stays silent, hurt building in her eyes. Jungwoo, you have no family, no name, no bloodline. Just a forgotten girl clinging to my son like he's your last chance. YN, I never asked for any of this. Jungwoo, exactly. You didn't ask, you seduced your way in. Girls like you always do. Quiet, desperate, looking for comfort in a rich man's world. YN tries not to cry, her fists clenched. Jungwoo, let me make this clear, I don't care what he sees in you. But I see right through you. So stay quiet, stay small, and remember, you're not one of us. He walks away, leaving YN standing in silence, eyes brimming with unshed tears. She took one shaky breath and walked away, her steps light, but her heart unbearably heavy.